Give it up for Dante Ramirez.
Brisket 101. I grew up in El Paso, Texas. He'd get some chipotle peppers, different spices, put it in a blender and make like a sauce. And he'd pour it all over this brisket. He opens it up and I could remember vividly him saying, "Son, go grab a corn tortilla and you can just pinch the meat right off." Now keep in mind, I had no idea that I was gonna own a barbecue restaurant. And I do believe that God was preparing me. The other thing that I didn't realize was God. I went to church because my mom said, "Gotta go to church." And so I did, and I did it up until I was able to make my own decision. And when I made my own decision, I made the wrong decision.
I just finished the brisket class, and let me tell you, it was phenomenal. The way he just intersected his relationship with Jesus Christ to the brisket, oh my goodness, you do not want to miss this.
Excellent class, covered cooking a brisket from start to finish, walks you through all the steps of it, and also addresses a lot of the common pitfalls that people run into, so really enjoyed it.
This is a God thing. Jiggle it, and I look for this line. And that's where I'm gonna get my knife, and I'm gonna glide it right in there. And I'm pulling the point. So I just separated the point from the flat. Look at your bone, and does that bone come out? It definitely does. But that is the shoulder blade.
I am telling you, if you are thinking about it, contemplating, I ask you to sign up right now. All you wives, sign your husbands up. This is a great class.
It was phenomenal. I'm not a cook myself, but getting to learn something about how to cook from a man that is another believer is fantastic. Even more than the brisket itself, which was phenomenal. Learning about this man and his testimony really touched my heart and gave me some things to think about. Great class, great guy. Really appreciate him coming out. Hey, I'd recommend that you do it as well.